This is the Toyota GR GT, Toyota's first true supercar since the LFA. For 15 years that badge sat empty, now GR fills it again. This is no museum piece. The GR GT was built to be raced, a road car homologating a machine for the track. Alongside sits the GR GT3, the race car it was born to create. Long hood, cab set far back. This is a front mid-engine car built for balance, not show. That vast grille is not styling, it feeds a hybrid V8 built to run hot. If you want the full story of Toyota's supercar comeback, subscribe now and stay with me. Underneath, a 4-liter twin-turbo V8 paired with an electric motor. Together they make 641 horsepower. Inside, the racing intent gets serious. This wheel is a command center. Every control lives on the wheel, just like a real race car. The gold dial kills the driver aids. It is labeled Expert for a reason. This red button unleashes Sport Boost, the hybrid's full electric shove. These seats hold you like a race car should. No rear bench, just 2 people and the road. The dashboard sits low and spare, trimmed in Alcantara and red stitching. At roughly 3,800 pounds, it stays light for a hybrid. The console runs on hard buttons and a real shifter, honest controls in a touchscreen world. Against an Aston Martin Vanquish, the GR GT counters with a hybrid V8 and racing bloodline. You will not find it at Toyota, only Lexus, its race twin, the GR GT3, is next.